four-door. We are en route to our buddy Kevin Souza's house, and we are going to be installing something fun on Justin, aka Brock Lesnar, Mint Sportec Subbie, and that is this very num third brake light or fog light or whatever you want to call it for the 2018 Subaru. This thing's gonna be hella sick when it's installed. So, Justin, how you feeling?
Pretty excited. Not gonna lie.
So, how about a little pull with this thing? Get a little bit of boost, you know? It's been a while since I've been in a fast car, since the ES1's been sleeping. We got a little bit of a straight. There we go. There we go. How you feeling, Justin?
I'm good.
Tell us about yourself. Tell us.
There's not much to say.
There's exactly nothing much to say. Let's go back to the boost.
Double with milk.
Yeah, I think it was a double with milk. I'm not reporting a sort of
medium
God.
double with milk, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
McPenis fillet.
Thank you.
I think she heard you.
What?
She's gonna give you shit.
What?
Because you asked for McPenis fillet. Why are you blushing? Are you picking your nose?
No, I'm
I
not.
think you're picking your nose.
I'm not picking my nose. Oh man.
The only way you break out of your shell is it's really hard trying to look into the screen and pick your nose at the same time.
Oh man.
So, what mods do we have on this beautiful WRX? It's not an STI, so for your STI fanboys who think if it's not an STI, it's not a Subaru.
Sport Tech.
That's right, a Sport Tech. What does that
Nothing
mean?
crazy. Just exhaust, coilovers, blow-off valve, and just some other cosmetics like visors and now this rear brake light.
So basically, it's a start.
It's a start.
It's a start, but it hammers down.
It hammers, yeah.
So this is our boy Kev Souza. Follow him on Instagram. I'll put it somewhere on the bottom of the screen. And that's his hella clean EG. This thing is gorgeous. Yes, it's not a swap. It's a D series, and this thing's fucking fresh. I know I keep saying I gotta watch the language, but it's gonna be so hard. But yeah, this is his little man cave, his little garage. Keeps the beast in here. This thing's so fresh, man. And that's a Subbie, which we are going to be installing the light right over there. I'm so excited to see this. It's gonna be amazing. Justin's super excited. But yeah. What's up, Kev? How was your day today?
Good. We need to get the license.
So we'll get back to it when we get started. one cool thing I gotta say that Subaru does that Honda doesn't, and Honda, you should learn from this. All right, is there's no cutting involved. All right, no cutting. You literally just gotta pop this thing out, and then bam, put it in, run your wires. Pretty sick. And Honda, you gotta catch up. You're making us look bad. What's up, YouTube? So check this out. I literally just paid for a sundae and an ice cream cone for me and Brock Lesnar on debit from an ice cream truck. This is amazing. This is probably the second best thing that's happened today. Third best thing. Now that we fished, or Kevin fished the wires through, I've only been watching him because, you know, only room for one dude and he's the skinniest of us all. Now we just gotta pop out that side panel and there's his head and tap into the running light. We're just finalizing some of the wiring. Kev, how goes it?
Not bad. Not bad for a subbie.
Not bad at all, eh? A lot easier than our Hondas.
First subbie I've worked on.
Yeah, not bad. For everyone in the know, Kev is, I won't say he's our backyard mechanic. That's just a horrible title, but he's like our go-to guy when you're unsure, and he's always willing to try something. So yeah.
Yeah, there's no warranty on this shit.
Yeah. What's warranty anyway? It's out the window the moment it leaves the lot anyway.
Yeah. Catches fire is not my problem.
But yeah, I would show you the third brake light, but we got a Kevin in the way. But just do a quick walk around on Justin's WRX Sport Tech. This thing's hella low. He's probably gonna kill me because it's dirty and it's not to his standards, but this thing is sick. Like, look how slammed this thing is. Finished up. Sorry I couldn't like get the video of him actually wiring it up. There was no room to fit the camera.
No, it's because you're too busy trucking back that fucking milkshake.
Listen, that milkshake was fantastic. But besides that,
How did you pay?
debit. But that's the rear fog or running light or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. It's not a Honda, it's a Subaru. But it looks effing dope. I love how he did the carbon fiber and red badges. And I love that little chin spoiler that they come with. Great car overall. We definitely got to thank the man Kevin. Fist bumps. And Justin for always supporting the channel too. Fist bumps. That was a close-up of my mouth. That's alright. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.